If you're looking for a video on how to fix the Epson XP620 or any related models, stay tuned because that's what we're going to be doing today. Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer repair video. Today we got the Epson XP620 and we are going to be fixing it. We're going to be cleaning out the print head with the Best Printers cleaning kit. Now what you can expect from this video is me showing you how to use the Best Printers cleaning kit on the print head of this printer, basically flushing out the old dried up ink. Essentially, if you have streaks, lines that are coming up in your prints, your print quality is just faded in general, or you're not able to print a certain color, that is exactly what the Best Printers cleaning kit is meant to solve. This is a very common problem with many different printers. However, this cleaning kit does solve that same problem for all of those different printers. If you're new to the channel and you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions at all throughout this video about the process, make sure to comment below. Also, there will be a link in the description below for the Printhead cleaning kit and any related products I talk about in this video for your convenience. Now, one important thing I will mention from the beginning is there's one step that is usually skipped, and I'm gonna put that at the end of the video. However, I do want to get it out up front. You would need this cleaning kit if you've already tried to run the Printhead cleaning program in your settings. However, you're still going to use that after you use the cleaning kit because that's actually going to push the ink back into the printhead. There are times where you won't need to do that. You will need to run a printhead cleaning after using the cleaning kit, which will bring back all the color and you should be back and printing normally again. Alright, that's enough of me. Let's get right into the repair. Okay, so as you see here, what you're going to need additionally to the Best Printers cleaning kit is a paper towel. You can use gloves. A paper towel is going to be important because that's actually going to collect all of the dried up ink that is flushed through. So what you see me doing here in the maintenance is printing a nozzle check. You're going to click on nozzle check in the maintenance section of the printer. This nozzle check is something you're going to hold on to. You're going to refer to it. If you already know that none of your colors are printing on the printer for whatever reason, that is something that happens, then you're just going to have to clean all the nozzles. But if there's a particular color, you're going to underline just like this. You're going to kind of circle the areas that are faded, that are kind of diminished, and that is going to be what you focus on with the cleaning. You can clean all of these colors, but you're going to want to focus on the ones that are worse. Now, if you caught that, I went to Ink Cartridge Replacement. That should bring the carriage all the way to the left where you can then remove the ink cartridges. And I'm removing the power cord at this point. Once that carriage reaches that point, you are now free to remove the ink cartridges and begin work on the print head. So you're removing these ink cartridges, and what I have found is that one of the main culprits of having missing colors or faded colors or no colors at all is running the ink too low, not using the printer over a long period of time. So what I would recommend with this cleaning is that you purchase a new set of ink cartridges. I'm going to leave a link in the description below for some remanufactured versions of this ink, which is going to be a lot less expensive for you. Okay, and at this point, you're going to fold up your paper towel, something resembling what I have here. You fold it 3 or 4 times until it can fit right under the ink carriage, and you're going to slide it right over, and the paper towel should be directly under just like this so that it can catch any of that dried up ink, any of that additional cleaning fluid that flows through. And at this point, of course, you're going to get your Best Printers cleaning kit. If you haven't gotten yours already, you can pause the video, click the link in the description below, get yours, and then continue watching. And then you can refer to this video later once you get the cleaning kit as well. So you have a 20 milliliter syringe. This is a high capacity syringe. It holds a lot more cleaning fluid. What this allows you to do is push more cleaning fluid through at one time without having to refill. So now you see the different colors, and you can get your nozzle check report. And this is what you're going to use. Again, if you're not printing any colors at all, then you can skip that step. However, if there's a particular color, that's what you're going to start on first. And I would start with pushing 20 milliliters on the worst one. Then you can go 10 milliliters on each other one. If you want to do a full cleaning, you can do that as well. I do recommend that. especially if there's a little bit of a fade in each color. You're definitely going to want to do that. So what you're doing basically is you're holding the tip of the syringe right over these nozzles. You see them here close up. You're holding it flush with the actual nozzle, and you're pushing through the cleaning solution. Now what I just did there is I moved the carriage because one part of the towel got really soaked. So you could also replace the towel midway through. If you feel that it's getting way too soaked, you can remove it, replace it with a new one, and then continue. You don't move as fast as this video is going. Do it at your own pace. Do it slowly. You want to do this right the first time so you don't have to keep repeating. So you see, this may happen. You may have some additional cleaning fluid, sitting at the top. You're just going to want to dry that off. That's not a problem. That's just a part of the cleaning. Okay, and at this point, you're just disposing of the soaked up paper towel and drying everything off. You don't want anything to be wet when you are replacing the ink cartridges. So once everything is fully dried, you can then replace the ink cartridges. Hopefully you waited to get your new ones. And you're putting everything back together, powering everything back on. Now you may not have to go through the process of running the cleaning print head in the maintenance section of the printer, which is what you see on the screen here, going into maintenance. Head cleaning. You may not need to do that necessarily. However, most times you will have to do that, and that's just to get the ink back into the print head. It's not necessarily doing a cleaning, but it's more so to get the ink back into the system. Okay, repeat this process as many times as you need to until your color comes back. That's really all I have for today. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.